17th of May. It's 7:45 in the morning. We're just doing an end of day analysis for last night through the London session. So as we can see here, overall we had a very positive night. Got a total of nearly $2,000. If we go to the majority of it was through the British pound, so we'll start with the US 30 just so we can get that done and dusted. Okay, so there was this one here. Well, firstly, this one here was actually an accidental manual trade, and so I realized that I was in and got out immediately, so that was a mistake. But this here, essentially, I have my red horizontal line that was going all the way through, just like right on this riverbank, and so I wanted to get in and put my entry just below the horizontal line, and it basically got in and wrote it down. I was happy with the small take profit of $200, and because of this, upside potential, there was that risk of it going to continue up, and so I didn't hold it for very long. Just got the $200 and moved on. That was kind of it for the US 30. So yeah, happy with that. That was just at 10 lots. For the British pound, there was a lot more trading. So we obviously had this action very early on, and so felt very safe trading as it came up here, and overall it is, as we can see, to the downside, so selling was definitely preferred anyway. So if we just zoom in a little bit, basically again, horizontal line that met with supply. I got in twice, and then as it pierced through that, it came down and then went back up. I wanted to get back in, and so I did. Got in twice as it was coming back down, and then I manually got out of here because I had my take profit set up at this little line here, and it had just missed that, and it started to move a little bit to the upside, and so I was happy to just pocket that. I think that was probably around I think it's this here, so around the $500 to $600 mark, and then obviously I had this little run that went up here. I had a entry at the first band, and as it pierced through this horizontal line, I got in twice there, and then just wrote it down. As it came back up through this horizontal line again, I doubled down and got in again, and I guess the one thing that I do need to work on is just trusting my process. Originally, I had my take profit down basically right at this zone here, which was just on this peak. I guess because of how far away that is, like you can see how close that is to the median, I didn't fully trust myself, and so there was, I think it was $1,000 of profit for this zone here, and I was happy with that, and I just got out. So it's kind of finding that balance between profiting $1,000 and also taking your the maximum profit you can take. So that's kind of the balancing act that I guess I'm not struggling with, but I'm dealing with at the moment. Outside of that, if we go to our cash flow record, we can see that I took 10 trades, 7 wins, 3 losses. It was mean reverting today, and overall we are just under 7 grand, so doing really well. Apart from that little hiccup last Thursday, and this is starting to look really nice. So yeah, overall quite positive, and we will return later this afternoon to do a daily analysis. Thank you. Bye.